Louisiana. It's going to be another fun trip. I love traveling. Especially love these small planes. A lot of cool history in the Baton Rouge area, especially in the music scene. I'm here for a kite festival this week, but not just a kite festival. I'm also here to explore the West Baton Rouge area specifically. You can see back here along the wall some of the films that were filmed here in the area. Might go check out some of the locations of that, some historical spots, a lot of music history here. So let's see what we come up with this week. We're gonna start by waiting on the bags to come out of that little doorway right there. My friends at the West Baton Rouge Convention and Visitors Bureau, the kite capital of Louisiana, were so kind to give us the keys to this vehicle for the week. How cool. Look what I found. Some pennies. I love coming to the airport and picking up my friends. Oh shoot. How do you unlock this thing?
Dude, we got the new ride.
Yeah, man, we got the new one. Well, we found a place to eat. Parked in the parking lot of Cou-Yon's. I hear it's really good.
Right now.
Guys,
So
I'm having a really hard time here.
So,
I'm looking at this menu up here. I cannot make up my mind. These nice ladies are helping me though.
You see now?
I can't make up my mind on these sides. What do you think, ladies? What am I getting?
Okay. I can tell you a good, the baked beans is pretty good.
Baked beans.
And,
Let's do it.
you like, the other potato, hush puppies? It's good too.
Oh, I love hush puppies.
I give you some baked beans and hush
Hush
puppies.
puppies.
I'm actually living out in the.
This place is great.
Oh man. Yeah. Tacos. Wrap tacos.
So what do you think, Scott?
I can't even pronounce it, but yeah, good, subtle, really good food. Taco with some sweet sauce. Unbelievable.
You really didn't need sauce on the meat. It is so good. This place kills it. It really is good. I think it's time to go. Closing up. Cou-Yon's, I'm gonna miss you. Taking an extra sweet tea for the road.